In today's video, I am going to teach you how to center text in Notion. Notion doesn't offer a true text center alignment button, but here is a simple, reliable workaround that looks great and keeps your layout tidy. We'll use columns to create even margins on both sides. Then place your text in the middle so it appears perfectly centered on the page. Start by creating 3 vertical columns. The easiest way to do this is to create a few text blocks on your page. Then, grab the handle to the left of a block and drag it to the right until you see a vertical blue guide appear. Release to place that block in a new column. Repeat this so you have 3 columns side by side. If you already have the text you want to center, don't worry, you can drag that existing block into position the same way. Once you have the 3 columns, place your text in the middle column. You can either drag the block with your text into the center, or click inside the center column and start typing there. The key is to leave the left and right columns empty, so they act like invisible margins around your content. Next, adjust the width of the empty side columns to perfectly center your text. Hover near the edge between columns until you see the resize handle appear. Then click and drag to make the left and right columns equal in width. As you tweak them, watch the center column. When both side columns look balanced, your text in the center will appear neatly centered on the page. Take a moment to scroll and view it at different zoom levels to make sure it still looks centered across the page width. If you are on a smaller screen, remember that columns may stack vertically. So this method works best on desktop or larger windows. To give your centered text a bit more presence, create a callout or quote block. In the center column, type the / and the word callout. Or type /quote, then press enter. This adds a distinct block style that naturally draws attention to your centered content. Now, type your text inside that callout or quote block. You'll get a clean, focused look, and because it sits within the middle column you set up, it stays visually centered with consistent margins on both sides. That's it, quick, clean, and completely within Notion's native tools. Thanks for watching.